very happy Sunday to you. Now what are we going to do today? A topic which we have been given today is like lower body workout. So now when we talk about lower body workout, what do you feel? Like, I would really want to know. It's just, hey Subha, good morning, Deepa, good morning. Here I have all my people here, yeah. So when we talk about strengthening of your lower body, what does that only mean? Just picking up heavy barbells and weight plates and doing your squats? Nah. That means a lot of things again. That means you work on your stability, you're on point with your stability, you're on point with your mobility. It should not be like that in something like heavy weighted squat you are fine, but when you got to do squat sacks, you actually just don't be fine with your postures and you fumble here and there. So you got to make sure that even you are done with your mobility, stability, you would be able to do again. If you're doing heavy weight squats, you will again make sure that one single leg squat or something like with where you have to balance with one leg, you are able to do that. Okay, now again, flexibility again. So everything, the combination of mobility, flexibility, strengthening, stability gives you a proper routine of lower body workout, and like it makes a proper set of strength of your lower body. Okay, so let's again go to the mat and do some nice exercises. Can we drink water before or in between the exercise? Hey Yashita, you can definitely have sip of waters between your workouts. Don't dulge yourself before your workouts. I mean, don't ever have one glass of water just before your workouts, because you would be starting with warm-ups and cardios. Of course, that's the drill. Or you got to start, whatever you may do, you've got to start with some cardio again. And cardio, you do a lot of friction, so you might feel bloated again. So better not to have water before your workout. Even if you're having, just have a sip of water. And after every set, okay, you can just have a sip of water. If you want to even skip that, you can have it after every 2 exercises or 3 exercises. You can have a sip of water. Just keep sipping water. Okay, don't indulge yourself having like 1 glass of water. That won't be okay. You will feel bloated. You will feel uneasy to do your workouts. And because of course you got to start your workouts with cardio and dynamic stretches, you got to make sure that you don't feel bloated. Yep. So idea is to whatever sweat is getting released, so we don't feel rehydrated. And to balance that, we can just keep sipping of water. After we are done with our workouts, we can have nice, like amazing, good hot glass of water. With some honey. Even that is going to be fine. That is actually going to energize you back again. Okay, so do follow this. Ma'am, hey Nirbhay, good morning and welcome. Nirbhay, आपने कहा है हूँ पक्का कर रहा हूँ छो. Okay, okay. So let's go. Here we go. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. That made me stop here. Thank you. Okay, guys, I was just reading the comment. Now let's go. I'm going to work out today barefoot. I'm not going to take any shoes because I have some issues with my heels. And I want to get like a proper organic massage that we say by just just making sure that I use the floor and make sure that things get better. The muscles not really get releases. So I'm not going to use my shoes. Okay, I'm just going to work out on the floor with my bare foot, bare feet basically. Yeah. Okay, so are you ready? We are working out for our lower body. So let's get the warm up done for 3, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Great job. So after these few dynamic stretches, now is the time to add a lateral lunge to it. Okay, now when I do lateral lunge, it's all about strengthening your lower body. But before that, if I show you Cossack, now Cossack is going into a deep lateral squat. Okay, deep lateral squat. Now that's for your mobility and flexibility. Now what do you want to do first? Obviously, before making your lower body strong, you got to obviously choose flexibility and stability and mobility, right? So let's go step by step. Let's add the first exercise, and that's going to be lateral jumps. Okay, so how are we going to do that? 4, 3, 2, 1. Squats, you know, so I have to combine a lot of things in today's session, so I'm not going to get you to the journey of basic. You got to do squats first, lunges first before you perform these variations. So keep that in mind. Squats, okay, and then lunges. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Okay, so these are the basic exercises you've got to perform before you perform these extra exercises. So your body actually understands, like adapt the training first. Okay, I'm not going to do the deep of basic today. Let's move ahead. So after that, what are we going to do is working for our stability. Okay, so we're going to do lateral jumps, and how are we going to do that? Do it along with me, guys. 4, 3, 2, jump. Okay, stabilize, kick back, kick to your side, basically side. Okay, lateral. So it's like side. Okay, jump. Okay, you can take the support of the wall if you have. Kick back, jump, stable, kick back, jump, stable, kick back, jump, stable, kick back, jump, stable, kick back. Focus on your lower body as well as your upper body. Stabilize yourself from your upper body, your core engagement. Okay, kick back, kick back, kick, 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 kick. One last time. Here we go. Wall. So that was a stability workout. You got to do it. Mobility was absolutely this. We're going to go to the next level of mobility. That's going to be Cossacks. So how are we going to do that? Here we go. 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, now these are deep squats, lateral deep squats basically. You got to go down deep. Okay, now beginners as much as possible. Don't try to go as deep. So that you break your muscles. Don't do that. You literally tear your muscles. Don't do that. But try to go as deep as possible. You can take support of a chair or anything while doing that. Okay, but try to attempt it. 4, 3, 2, 1, 2, 3. Your toes should be pointing up, okay? 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Okay, now when it comes to lateral lunges, now that is basically purely for strengthening of exercises. The first exercise was for stability, second for mobility, the Cossacks. Now third, lateral lunges. Okay, so when you perform lateral lunges, it's all about strengthening. So guys, yes, this is how you do it. 4, 3, 2, 1. 1. Just don't go too deep. Okay, you're just working on your quads. You're activating your quads here. Just go down and come up. Okay, so here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, now let us go this side. Here we go. 4, 3, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Don't go too deep. You're doing lateral lunge. Okay. 5 and 6. Great job. Now it's time to do some Bulgarian split squats, also known as aka Bulgarian split lunge. Okay, so basically how it is done, then you split a squat. So this is why we say Bulgarian split squat or a split lunge. Because moreover, when you do it a modification, it looks like a split lunge. But basically, you can use both the names for it, okay? So here we go. Go down deep. Okay, now you got to take your leg a little forward. So you do a simple squat. This is called squat. When you split it, when you take one leg up, okay? And when you go down as deep as possible, it works on your stability, it works on your mobility, it gives you a good deep range of motion, it really works, activates your quads, and this is why it is called Bulgarian split squat. Okay, Ani, I hope you're getting it. Yep. So again, this was Bulgarian split squat. I'm going to show you how you can begin with Bulgarian split squat. Not everyone is supposed to take the chair and do it. You can just, remove the chair for a while. Okay? And use a step board or a staircase or anything which has this much height. Okay, this much inclination. Okay? And then you can just put your one leg up right there. Get a little forward. One leg up right there. Okay? Make sure your knees doesn't go out. Okay? One more strong point to remember, don't fall in front. Your core, your upper part should be straight, okay? It's core engaged. Make sure your spine is aligned to your glutes. Your knees are not moving up. Please don't fall forward, okay? So here we go. 4, 3, 2, 1, 2. Please don't fall forward and do it. That's the wrong idea, okay? 3, 4, 5, 6. Try to get your knees to the floor. The more you get your knees to the floor will be the right idea of Bulgarian split squat or split lunge. Okay? So here we go. 5, 6, 7, and 8. So it more look like a lunge, right? So yes, when you do a modification, it more look like a lunge. So basically, to get yourself to understand better, what you can do is, when you're using a step board or a staircase which doesn't have much inclination, you can call it a Bulgarian split lunge because that's a modification. That's just an idea to remember the exercise, not precisely. Precisely, you can call this exercise a Bulgarian split squat and split lunge as well, okay? There's no difference. But when you do it on the chair, it's more like a squat. Yes. So you can always use Bulgarian split squats there. So guys, that was the modification. Let me see the time so that I can even start. Okay, with the stretches, yeah guys. Okay. Is there any question? 10K. Oh, how sweetly. What is for breakfast? So here guys, that was again Bulgarian split squat. I showed you the modification as well. And now what we actually do is like, make sure you are on point with your posture because your upper body should not fall in front. Spine neutral, chest out, core engaged. Okay, make sure you have wide distance between your legs. Now this is your squat, and when you split that, okay, put your one leg up right there. Okay, make sure your knees doesn't go out with the foot, from the toe, and go down as deep as possible. As deep as possible, and up. 2, and up. 3, and up. 4, and up. Here we go. 5, and up. So you can do with both the legs. Now because of shortage of time, I also have to show some flexibility movement. So let's go back with strengthening and mobility and stability exercises for our lower body to some flexibility stretches for our lower body. Okay, so stay tuned for that. Here we go. Can I keep you back? Oh yeah, lovely. Okay guys, now let's release after doing that Amazing exercises for our lower body. My body actually started speaking to me. Yes, though I just demonstrated the workouts to you, but these workouts are amazing workouts. If you add on everything to one training, you will feel the next day. Yes, but it doesn't mean that you don't have to put it into your routine. Please put it so that you feel the difference in certain while. Okay, so let's go with some mobility, flexibility drills. So here we go, sit in the lunge, okay? Okay, first let's release the quads and the hip flexors. Sit in the lunge position and fall forward. When you fall forward, you can keep a cushion down and try to get your, just a moment here. Okay, yeah. And from here, try to get your foot forward, hold it for a while, as much as possible. 4, 3, 2, 1. Oh, amazing, amazing. Now after that, just keep your one leg straight, okay, and try to go and touch your toes. Here we go. Try to keep your spine neutral so that you even feel at your lower back, okay? So one stretch and basically you are targeting a lower body, all the lower body muscle, okay? So 4, 2, 3. The more you go down, the more you feel the stretch. 2, 3, 1. Awesome. Now similarly, just open up your glutes. Just go down. Yeah, here we go. Try to keep your leg up. The more you keep your leg up, the more stretch you will feel on your glutes. And down. 4, 2, 3, and 1. Oh my God, that was nice. Let's go with the next leg, okay? So here we go. 4. Just open up your hip flexors first. 3, 2, 1. Just get it back. Hold. 2, 3, and 1. Great job. Now just move your leg forward. Try to keep your spine neutral and go down as much as possible. Try to touch your toes. 4, 2, 3, 1. Great job. Now similarly, go back to your pigeon pose position. Make sure your feet are not down. Get it up to feel the maximum stretch on your glutes, okay? So here we go. And arms up. 4, 2. You can do literally stretch your upper body as well by pushing up your arms out. 2, 3, and 1. Awesome! Now just wind this off with a Malasana, so you can just come in a deep squat position and relax. For a while, I want to have the entire conversation like this because I feel so relaxed in this position. Okay? 4, 3, 2. And here we go. Oh my God! So those were the stretches also with all the heavy training with our lower body. Something has hurt me badly. Yep, guys. So I am back. The side plank target glutes? Not certainly, because I always say your core engaged, and when you keep your core engaged, somewhere all the muscles get activated, okay? So only till that activation, the glutes will also get activated. Only till you keep contracted, the glutes forcefully contracted, you will feel it. But if you're just focusing on that, yes, it's just the side muscles, when you're doing the side muscles, always for obliques, so not much basically that the glutes get also effective. Not at all. I won't say not at all. It's just because when you keep your core engaged, it is definitely is happening that yes, your muscles are getting activated. But basically side plank is just for obliques. Yeah, and of course stability, you got to keep that in mind. Yep. So lots of love, God bless you and shower you with prosperity. Thank you so much Nirbhay, thank you so much, means a lot, thank you. शेक्सपियर ने कहा नाम में क्या लिखा है, बिल्कुल. Oh my god. Okay, so thank you so much, and guys, hope you enjoyed this session, and make sure that you spend a happy Sunday and be happy souls throughout the day. Spread love, spread positivity, and be home, be safe. And it's a Sunday, you can have a feast, right? Okay, so okay guys, so should I sign off? It's already 14k done. You want to make it 15? Come on, samosa. Arey Megha, like that word is like, you know, after doing, okay guys, after doing such exercises, you're worth having a samosa then. Okay, you can enjoy. एक वीडियो देखा where the person said it targets glutes. No, not at all. Don't worry. I mean, people have confusions regarding this, but side planks are only for obliques, okay? But when you keep your core engaged, when you do indulge to, like, you know, with your mind, and you contract your glutes, so it's altogether a different thing. But side planks are mostly for balancing, for working on your stability, and of course on your obliques. Yep. Thank you so much Madhumati, means a lot. Thank you. Your blessings also means a lot, and thank you so much. मैम आपको रमज़ान में मुबारक और एक प्यार भरा समोसा और खमंड. अरे वाह, खमंड एंड ढोकला. I miss so much. I'm waiting for the day निर्भय जब मैं बड़ौदा आऊँ और अपने सारे टेस्टी जो वहाँ के खाना है मैं ज़रूर खाऊँ. I'm waiting for that. I love Gujarati food. Like I am the true Gujarati food lover. Trust me. Like, you know, I used to, like, not now, but because I have been like more into fitness. But initially, sugar and good jaggery in every food. So I'm a like true Gujarati food lover. Seriously. Okay, so guys, thank you. Yes, Mrs. Marilla, I am here. As you say, I am here. Ma'am, abs के लिए crunches के अलावा बोलो, as my back is gonna have okay, abs के लिए crunches के, तो आप खड़े रह के भी exercises कर सकते हैं. निर्भय, थोड़े दिन पहले मैंने एक session दिया था standing ab exercises. So try to do that for a while. And आप plank करिए. अगर आपको कुछ ज़्यादा crunches variations नहीं करने, तो आप प्लैंक करिए. आप माउंटेन क्लाइंबर्स करिए. माउंटेन क्लाइंबर्स भी बहुत इफेक्टिव होते हैं. उस दिन मैंने HIIT फॉर एब्स में दिखाया था. आई वाज डूइंग ऑल द एक्सरसाइजेस फ्रॉम वन प्रोन पोजीशन, वन supine position. So please make sure that you do that and enjoy your workout. Yep. Don't do crunches every day, please. I don't want that you feel fatigueness from your back. Don't do crunches every day. आप standing ab exercises करिए. आप प्रोन पोजीशन में, जब हमारा फेस फ्लोर की तरफ होता है, वो जैसे माउंटेन क्लाइंबर्स है, जंप प्लैंक जैक्स है, वो सारी चीज़ें करो. यू विल एंजॉय. 15k already done. Oh my god, that's like my champions. Thank you so much Mrs. Marilla, Megha, Malikarjuna, Shri Pavan, Lee, every one of you, and thank you so much. I hope you enjoyed the session and hope you enjoyed the exercises and the live session. What's say? And it is called whole wheat mutter samosa. Areva. You know what? I'm fasting and I'm literally missing samosa now. Any little papad chaat, masala papad banja. Oh my god. Now this is getting interesting, but not on my end. This will get interested for me at 7:30. It's almost by 7:15, right? Okay. So guys, enjoy yourself. Alu Akka, don't miss my question, please. What is that, Shri? Just for a moment. Let me scroll up and see. Please answer my question. I have doubt I have asked on the top. Oh my god. Shri, instead of writing this, write the question again, because you know, anyone who feel that I have missed the question, please write the question again, because it's very difficult for me to find the question again. Let me just search. Please answer my question again. This is there. Okay. No, Meghadi. Okay. My question are there. Please do answer it. But where is it, Shri? I'm trying to find it up. Okay, what is the alternation? Aloo Akka, Bulgarians, lunges. If you don't have the step board, you can go and use a staircase. I mean, don't go too down or don't go out. If you have somewhere at home, if you have that stair area, if you have at home, or if you have a garden boundary, okay, if you have a small garden or if you have a boundary, you can use that, or anything which has a little inclination, like you can use that. So staircase is a wise or substitute or alternative for it. Or if you don't have, you can just have the garden boundary. Mostly the parks and the gardens have the boundary. So if you're just, if you have it in your house, or if you have it something, a staircase, one single staircase will also do, like, you know. So please use that. And as of now, I cannot come up with any alternative because these are the things I use it. Yeah. Okay, Ani. Okay, Shri. I hope you got it. What say? Thank you, friends. Have a lovely, lovely day ahead. Have a joyful Sunday. Make best of your Sundays. Those who want to take rest. Thanks a lot for giving the explanation between two. Thank you so much, Ani. Thank you so much. You're always welcome. Please continue with your weight training first. Like, make sure that one more month you dedicate to your weight trainings. Go heavy, go nice, go strong, and then switch the training, because weight training is certain training which you have to give a lot of time to see some results. Okay, so when you bring, wow, Gujarati thali, arey wow, oh my god, it is awesome. It is like my favorite. I can just bang on to that food, like, you know. Okay, so weight training is such kind of training where you have to be really literally stick to it for a certain time to see some change within yourself. So please make sure that weight training should go a little more extended, and after that you can, the variations are always welcome. Yep. Okay, so guys, Nirbhay, what's for iftar? It's just fruits, like, just every day is just gonna be fruits and fruit juice and fruits, that's all, followed by dinner. Simple. Today dinner mein kya hai ye pucho? Bhindi dal and roti and rice. Okay, because even kids are there, so even they need a lot of carbs right now. So dinner is like bhindi dal, rice and chapati. Before that we are going to open it up, our fast with fruits. Only Saturday I'm going to make some nice, like, spring rolls or something like that, which kids love to eat, pastas or something like that. Yep. So that was, thank you so much. Always welcome, Shri Pavan, always welcome. Thank you, Divyani. Here is Shri now. Divyani, thank you so much for that card. I truly needed it. I really didn't have it. Thank you so much. And okay, Divyani, it's my time to sign off. Before Goki calls me off and disconnects, like, okay, you're done with your session, dude. Now come out. Yeah. So I sign off with loads of love to you, loads of blessings to you, and loads of happy Sunday wishes to you. Make sure you rock out the Sunday, rock out your feast day. 18 get done. Thank you so much, Malikarjuna. My God, I know those hearts look so beautiful, and thank you so much for this exceptional love. Take care with the veggies, Alia. You know it may be contracted. No, I take a lot of precautions, like, oh my god, like, it's been like I have become more like a conscious female with veggies and all things which is coming from out. But I will make sure I am like being thorough with it. Yeah, thank you so much. Wow, simple food, healthy food, exactly. Okay, so oh my god, not at all, Nirbhay. Kya? What are you writing? Oh my god. She be healthy, wealthy, and all happy soul on us, with us, right? Okay. So please take care. Take care. Bye. Bye, my people. Mrs. Madela, Megha, Lee, Subodh, Nirbhay, Divyani, and Pani. Each one of you, please take care of yourself. And I'm going to meet you again tomorrow at 8:30 with a different set of routine. So take care of yourself. Bye-bye, darlings. And my dudes, take care. Today is Sunday, we can have something special. I have kept